Welcome to this installment of SugarCRM tutorials for at-core systems. Today, we will focus on the installation, setup, and use of the ResuPost module. The ResuPost SugarCRM module was created to enhance SugarCRM with job and applicant management functionality. ResuPost adds job and applicant modules as well as the ability to embed job listings and application forms into any website. First, make sure that you have the module as well as the license key prior to continuing. Now, let's log into SugarCRM as a user with administrator rights. This is very important as the module installation will not complete without these rights. Once you have logged in, locate and click on the administrator link at the top, then click on Admin. Under the Developer Tools section, locate and click on the Module Loader link. Click Choose File and locate the module zip file. Once selected, click OK and then Upload. Do allow the transfer to complete before clicking on anything else. Upon completion of the upload, select the install link next to the module that has just been submitted. Read and accept the license agreement and then click Commit. Allow the module to fully install without refreshing or closing the browser window. Before the module can be used, the license key will have to be entered. Navigate back to the admin page and locate the license key section. Paste the license key here, and once done, click Save. The ResuPost module was built to offer a simple but powerful method for posting open positions and resumes to your SugarCRM installation. We will begin by creating a new open position. Locate the Jobs tab and select Create Jobs from the drop-down menu. Once there, you will need to enter the job name, the team assigned to this position, and the job description. Once you have entered this, click Save. You will then see your newly created job on its detail page. If you need to make any changes, copy, delete, or view the changelog, then click on the arrow next to the Edit button. Since this is a new position, the applicant's field is empty. We will move ahead, but come back to this in just a bit. Going back to the job link, click on it. The next page will be the View Jobs page, and it will list all of the jobs that exist within your SugarCRM records. To view the details of a specific job, just click on the name. As with the previous details page, all of the data can be changed, duplicated, or deleted. Also, we can add an applicant to the potential employees. Just locate the applicant's box and click Create. The form that appears is the basic form for adding the applicant. You can certainly use this form, but we will have a look at the full form. Click on Full Form. Here, you will see a few more boxes just in case you need them. Enter the information that you need. Right now, I will just enter the basic information of first name, last name, and team. Now locate the Email tab and click It. You can enter a single email or multiple emails. To enter a single email, enter the address in the field and select if this email is opted out from campaigns or if the address is invalid. For multiple addresses, click the plus button and do the same as the first. The new option is Primary. The primary address will be the one where all emails are sent through SugarCRM. Once done, click the Addresses tab at the top of the box. Now we can enter two mailing addresses, the primary and an alternate. Enter the primary address information and either enter the alternate information or, if it is the same, check the Copy Address from Left box option. Once done, click Save. Now you will be taken back to the Job Details page with the newly created applicant in the applicant's box. Clicking on the applicant's name will take you to their details page for editing, deletion, or duplication. So far what we have done is great for a couple of jobs, but what if we have a long list of new jobs to post? Luckily, the ResuPost module has this option sorted. Hover over the Jobs link and select Import from the list. On the next page, we see the normal import page from SugarCRM, complete with an import template to download. Go ahead and download the template and enter some information. Once done, save the file and come back to your SugarCRM installation. Now click Choose File and locate your newly created job list and click OK. If this list only contains new information, then keep the default Create New Records Only option selected. If this file contains changes to existing records as well, then select the Create New Records and Update Existing Records option. Click Next. The next page gives you a quick glance at how SugarCRM sees your data. Verify that the first few records displayed are correct, and then click Next. Now SugarCRM will allow you to verify the correct mapping for the file's headers and the SugarCRM module fields. The first tab shows the header data from the file. The second tab shows where the header will be mapped. These fields can be changed if need be by selecting a new item from the drop-down menu for each. The third tab shows the data for the first row from the file, and the fourth tab allows you to create default values for a particular field. Once done, click Next. We can now save the import settings if desired, or just move on and import. Let's enter a name for the settings and click Import. You will now see a progress bar pop up, and when that's done, the next page will load. On the next page, there are 3 tabs. If all went well, then the Created Records tab will be selected, and you can scroll down the list to verify the entries. However, if there were any duplicates or errors, then they will be displayed on those tabs. You can verify this by clicking on each tab to see the log. We're all done, so click Exit to be taken back to the list view of the jobs. The final item in the Jobs module is the external URL. Hover over Jobs and select View External URL from the list. The next page provides you with the URL for external users to use to view the available positions. The first is a direct link to be sent out via email or as a link on the site. The second provides an iframe code snippet for embedding within a site, the display of which can be seen in the next box, Testing iframe. The display in the iframe box has active links that can be clicked. Test this by clicking on a job title. You will see the details for that job in the next page, as well as an Apply Now button. Go ahead and click that button. The next page shows the form that the applicants will see. You can test it out later just to verify that all is working, but we'll move ahead for right now. Let's quickly look at the Applicants module. Click the Applicants link at the top navigation menu. This page will display the list of applicants within your SugarCRM instance. Clicking on a name will take you to their details page showing you their information, as well as the positions they have applied for. On this page, you can edit their information, duplicate the data, delete the applicant, find duplicates, or view the changelog. Below the top box, there is a Jobs box similar to the Applicants box on the Jobs Details page. Here, you can view the job the applicant has applied for, create a new position, remove this position, or edit this position. Click on the arrow next to Create, and then Select. In the window that pops up, select a new job from the list by clicking on the name. This position will now be added to the list, and we can remove the other position. Locate the arrow next to the edit position you wish to remove and click it. Now click Remove. Confirm the removal by clicking OK. Good. Now we will have a quick glance at creating an applicant. Hover over Applicants and click Create Applicants. The process and form are identical to the ones that we used while viewing a job, so we will cover it quickly. Enter the required fields of last name and teams, and then just click Save. Now you can select a job for this person if need be, but we'll go ahead and move on. The option to add an applicant from a vCard has been included. Hover over Applicants and select Create from vCard. On the next screen, we will select the file and then click Import vCard. After that, you will see the newly created applicant with the same options as before. To view all of the applicants, click on the Applicants link. Applicants can be searched for by using the search fields at the top, and any applicant can be edited by clicking on their name and making the changes on their details page. Similar to the Jobs module, applicants can be imported in bulk. Hover over Applicants and select Import. Now click on Select a file from my computer and then click Next. Download the template, and once entries have been made to the file, save it and click Choose File. Select the file and whether it contains only new records or new records and updates, and then click Next. Verify that the columns from the file look right, and then click Next. Now, if needed, map the module fields to the headers and enter the default values. Click Next. Drag over the fields to use for the existing entries, enter a name to save the import settings, and then click Import Now. After the process has completed, verify that the results are satisfactory and click Exit. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial on the installation and setup of the ResuPost module and are well on your way to becoming an expert user. Feel free to come back to these videos at any time that you need a refresher, or if you need any further assistance, then contact the SugarCRM support staff. Thanks.